Hey, this is the Wuben G5. It's got changing RGB colors. Rotate them on the switch. Magnetic base. Aluminum body. It's got a clip on the side. It's on a spring. Hope I don't break it. Clip it back. Buttons on the side here. Shut it down. USB charger. Slides up to open it. Slides down to lock it in your backpack. Pretty tiny. About the size of a Zippo. Utility blade next to it. Little razor knife. This thing's sweet. Came with a lanyard. Little keychain. Charger, of course. And we'll go outside and see what it lights up for us. Here's all the color spectrums in the dark for you. You hit the side, changes to the regular lamp. Oh, it's so hard to get a view. It is very bright. It's got a very bright spotlight. Tough to get a good shot outside for you guys, but it's got a really bright spot beam. It's all